Hi everyone, welcome to Transpire Online on Genetic Algorithm tutorial. In the environment lots of the species are there and which the fitness species is adopted to the environment and unfitness is disqualified from the environment. This same concept is used to solve various optimization problems. For solving a particular problem, we have numerous numbers of solutions, but all the solutions cannot provide optimized solution to that problem. But genetic algorithm helps in finding the optimized solution. You must be thinking how a genetic algorithm is approached to find an optimized problem. For that, let us understand with an basic example. Let's take a hypothetical situation where you are the head of the institute. In order to keep your institute in high potential, you implement a policy like first you select all the good students and ask them to extend their learning skills, and this repeat. Then you notice that now you have an entire population of good people. Now that may not be entirely possible, but the example was just to help you to understand the concept. The basic idea was that we change the input, that is entire population of students, such we get the better output, that is the good student. Initially we defined our initial population as the whole students, then we defined a function to classify whether a population is good or bad students. Then we selected good students to produce new better results, and finally these results replace the bad students from the whole population, and this process repeats. This is how genetic algorithm actually works. So to formalize a definition of genetic algorithm is, the genetic algorithm is the method of search technique used in computing to find true or an approximate solution for solving optimization problems. The main inspiration of genetic algorithm by the natural evolution of gene. Hence genetic is a branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in organism. All organism is composed by cells. Cells are the basic building block of all living things. Contains nucleus. The nucleus contains thread-like structure of chromosomes. The chromosome contains of genes, commonly referred as blocks of DNA, where each gene encodes a specific traits, for example an human hair color or eye color. This processing is undertaken for the inspiration of genetic algorithm. The basic terminology associated with the genetic algorithm. Suppose we are having a set of solution to the particular point. The population is the subset of all possible solution to the given problem. The chromosomes are one such solution to the given problem, and one element to the particular position of chromosomes is known a gene. The value of gene can be 0 or 1. 0 represent the absence of the value and 1 represent the presence of the value. Allele is a value of a gene for particular chromosomes. The general framework of genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is started with initial population to the possible solutions to the problems. These initial populations are generated randomly. The population is represented by chromosomes. These chromosomes are encoded solutions to the problem. Next step is the fitness assignment. In this step, fitness of each chromosome in the population is evaluated. The solution which satisfies the fitness criteria during the evaluation is kept in the population, and those which does not fitness the criteria is discarded from the population. The next is the proceeding of genetic operators. In the genetic operator, the first step is the selection. The selection of the chromosome which satisfies the fitness function is done, and these selected chromosomes are used to the mating purpose. After that, the genetic operator like crossover and mutations are applied to select the parents for the generation of new offspring. After the selection, crossover and mutation are applied. In the crossover, the process involves the two chromosomes, and during the crossover process the new offspring are generated. The solution, that is, chromosome that more fit, are selected and replace the less fit solution. This will form the new generation of the population of the solution. The mutation operator is used to find the diversity among the population. This process is repeated till the condition is satisfied. The new offspring are placed in the new population, and the new population and the new optimal solution is obtained. Once the optimal solution is formed, no need to generate a new population and terminate and return to the best solution. Let's understand genetic algorithm by solving the Napsack problem. There are 4 items A, B, C, D. Each item is associated with some weight and value. Now there is one knapsack with the limited capacity. The problem is that which item should be kept in the knapsack so it will maximizes knapsack value without breaking knapsack. To solve this problem we start with the first step in the genetic algorithm as initialization that contains population individuals each having an own set of chromosomes. We know that chromosomes are the binary strings. The next step in the genetic algorithm is the fitness calculation based on the table in the knapsack problem. Let us calculate fitness for first two chromosomes. The first chromosome, the total weight will be 29 and its survival point is 28. For the second chromosomes the total weight is 16 and survival point is 23. So for this problem is subjected to the chromosomes that contains more survival points. Therefore chromosomes first are more fitness than second one. The next step is selection. Now we can select the chromosomes from our population for the creation of new offspring. There are various methods are used. We use roulette wheel selection method. Generally chromosomes produce offsprings also known as fitness proportionate selection. The area occupied by each survival is proportional to the fitness value, based on their point. Let us create the fixed point. Then the wheel is to be rotated and the wheel comes in front of the fixed point is selected as the parent chromosomes. The next step is crossover. In the previous step we have select the parent chromosomes to produce offsprings. In biologically terms crossover is nothing but reproduction. Let us find the crossover of chromosomes. One point crossover is most basic point of crossover to represent in terms of chromosomes to produce new offspring. If we take two crossover points then it is called multi-point crossover. The last step is mutation. Mutation is defined as the random unit in the chromosomes that promotes the diversity in the population. During the growth of children there is the change in the genes of the children that takes from the parents. The question is arising. Is the best solution? So basically there is a different termination condition. There is no improvement in the population for over X iterations. We have already predefined an absolute number of generations for our algorithm. Our fitness function has reached a predefined value. If any of the condition are met then we reached our best possible solution. The offspring then produced is considered as more fit individual and hence we replace the less fitness in our population. Advantages of genetic algorithm. It does not require any derivatives information which may not be available for many real-world problems. So it is easy to solve any kind of problem with the help of genetic algorithm. It is faster and more efficient as compared to the traditional method. The traditional method has single point. In the genetic algorithm we are having multiple points to focus. It optimizes both continuous and discrete functions and multi-objective problems are optimized by genetic algorithm. It provides a list of good solution and not just a single solution always gets an answer which gets better over the time. It is useful when the search space is very large and there are a large number of parameters involved. Let us see various applications where the genetic algorithm is applied. Genetic algorithm can be used for DNA analysis. It can be used in the business sectors in different domains of business like marketing, stock operators, etc. It is used in the image processing. It can be used in the vehicle routing for finding the efficient path that connects one city to another. It is also to be used in the machine learning for various kinds of problems. It is also be used for developing various kinds of computer games and used in robotics. Thank you for watching. For more videos kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for new notifications. Happy learning through Transpire Online.